Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shadow in Canva. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say I want to add shadow in this image. So all you have to do is click in the image that you want to put shadow to. Let's choose this one, and once you click in that photo or image or whatever, you will see this pop-up bar. All you have to do is tap in that edit option and it will take you to this. And here you can see there are effects where you can see shadow option. All you have to do is tap in there. And here you can see different option of shadows like the glow and the drop one and the outline and stuff like that. So yeah, you can also like do pace lift and the angled one. The thing is, can you see the shadow over here? Okay, let me just like make it clear. So yeah, so mind you, this is not actually a circle image, it's a square one. It just have the background. So yeah, can you see the effects? Like you can also adjust the amount, also the direction, like how far you want it to be, also the intensity of the shadow, and yeah, you can choose any of the one you like, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.